related to angle sides. In a triangle ABC, this is the question they given. In a triangle ABC, angle A is equal to 6, B is equal to 10, C is obtuse angle. Area of the triangle ABC is 15 root 3. Then the side C is equal to how much? So here this is area related. See here, area of the triangle formula is what? Area of the triangle formula. Area of triangle, that is denoted by delta. That is equal to half into C. Here is discussing about angle C. It means, listen to me, whenever they are discussing about angle C, suppose here is the C, if it is, this is C, then this is A and B, okay, this is capital A and capital B. Then what will be these sides, this side, this is small a and this is small b. So area of the triangle will be what? Area of the triangle will be half into these two sides into angle. So here this angle is what here? A into B into sine C. So here area of the triangle they given 15 root 3, 15 root 3, right? This is equal to half into A is they given 6, B is they given 10 into sine C you are getting. So what you do here, you can try cancellation here, 3 table 3 5s are, 3 2s are cancel out, 5 table 5 1s are, 5 2s are cancel out, and 2 table 2 1s are, 2 1s are cancel out. So sine C is equal to, you are getting root 3 by 2. He said that C is obtuse angle. Obtuse angle is means it is in the second quadrant. Second quadrant. So sine C is equal to root 3 by 2 will get as sine 120 degrees. Sine 120 degrees you will get root 3 by 2. So C is equal to how much? 120 degrees, correct? Sine 120, correct? Sine 120 only na? See sine 90 plus 30, that is cos, you get as, okay, root 3 by 2. Right, sine 120, correct only na? Right? Is it right? Sine 120 degrees? You got, now you got C 120 degrees obtuse angle, so C is equal to 120 degrees confirmed. So now you have to find what? Length of the side C. Right, so cos C is equal to formula apply. Cos C is equal to what you can write here? Cos C is equal to under root of A square plus B square minus C square divided by 2BC. Square root is there or no? You have a square root or no? A square plus B square, no square roots. A square plus B square minus C square upon 2BC. This is a cos. 2AB, yeah, 2AB. Okay, because C is here, so AB you will get. So cos C is equal to cos 120 degrees. Cos 120 degrees is how much? Cos 120 degrees, that is minus half, is equal to A square, how much here? 36. B square, how much here? 100. Minus, see here, length of the side C you have to find. So C you will keep as C only. Upon 2 into A value how much? 6. B value how much? 10. So substitute here and find it. See cos 120 degrees is how much? Cos 120 means what? Minus 1 by 2. So minus 1 by 2 is equal to, this is I get as 36, 136 minus C square upon 2 into 6 into 10. So 2 gets cancelled out. So what I am going to get here? 60 minus 60 is equal to 136 minus C square. So minus 60 minus 136 is equal to minus C square. So minus 196 is equal to minus C square. Minus minus cancel. C is equal to 14. Square root of 196 is 14. So C is equal to 14 is the right answer. So D option is right. So he is asking to find the length of the side, that is 14 is the right answer. Okay, hope you understand.